Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be refinishing this dresser that you see here. I found it on Craigslist. It was only $10 and I thought this would be perfect to refinish. So right here I'm just removing the knobs and the drawers. So right here I'm just sanding down the dresser, and I started out by using 120 grit sandpaper, and then I worked my way up to 180. After I've completed sanding, I just wiped down the entire dresser and the drawers with a cloth. Okay guys, so here I'm just priming my dresser, and I think I'm using the Bullyseye 123 primer, and I'll be giving it 2 coats. Okay guys, so here I'm just starting to paint my drawers, and the color that I'm using, I tried to find the exact color, but on the can it says gray. It's by Behr. It says gray, and the finish is Eggshell, if you're interested in getting this color. Okay guys, so this is after 2 coats of painting. I just want to give you guys a close-up because you couldn't really tell on camera a difference in color, so this is what it looks like. And then I also use Polycrylic to seal everything in. Alright guys, and this is how my dresser turned out. It looks absolutely amazing. I just went ahead and spray painted the knobs that came with it in like this really gold metallic color. So there it is. It looks really nice up against that gray finish. And overall, I love how it turned out. It's going to go right into my bedroom. And just a little side shot just to give you guys like a little bit of a different angle. Looks really nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for more furniture makeovers. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.